it's Brenda with Luke's with some tips on installing the Q foot on your Viking Designer series. So the Q foot is used for embroidery or for free motion quilting. Sometimes it can be a little daunting to put on, but I'm going to show you a hint on how to install it easier. So the Q foot is going to buckle on right here on the shaft with this portion of it riding on the needle clamp. The needle needs to go down in the hole, and the shaft, the square portion, goes down in here. To make it easier to install, I'm going to take my hand, use the flywheel, lower the needle into the hole of the foot. What that does is it puts this portion right above that needle clamp and makes it much easier to put into position. I hold it, take my magnetized screwdriver, and presto, it's installed. Go ahead and raise your needle back up, and that's all there is to it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.